Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about GetEmail's alternatives. GetEmail.io tool finds the email address of anyone on Earth using the first name, the last name, and the domain name of his company. Then it recreates the professional email address of the prospect you would like to get in touch with. The method is extremely simple, but the time saving for you is huge. Manually, it would take you around 5 minutes to find an email when it only takes you a few seconds with GetEmail.io. Mailchimp is an all-in-one marketing platform that helps you manage and talk to your clients, customers, and other interested parties. Its approach to marketing focuses on healthy contact management practices, beautifully designed campaigns, and powerful data analysis. ActiveCampaign gives you the email marketing automation, and CRM tools you need to create incredible customer experiences. Send newsletters and messages targeted to each contact's interests. Make every campaign you send feel personal. Set up a welcome series with email automation, segment your contacts, or use simple workflows to automate the marketing no one has time for. GetResponse is one of the more interesting products of its kind in that it provides email marketing, landing pages, e-commerce, sales funnels, and webinars all under one roof. There are a couple of improvements that could be made to its interface, particularly where landing pages are concerned, but overall, the product is good value for money and packed with strong online marketing features. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about GetEmails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.